Make the capes bigger.
A hero isn't a hero because of their cape.
Are you kidding me? The cape is the most important part. You want to save the world, you need a cape.
So you can't save the world if you don't have a cape?
That's right. It's basic superhero rules. Seriously, think about it. Superman, Batman, Thor.
Spider-Man?
Spider-Man doesn't count.
Why? He's like one of the top 5 superheroes. And no cape.
All I'm saying is, our hero needs a cape. A shiny neon one.
Jordan, what do you think?
I'm just thinking that maybe not all heroes wear capes. Everyone's going to be making stories about basic heroes that look all strong or have amazing powers.
And capes.
And capes. But what if our story did something different? Something unexpected, something...
What was that?
I'm sorry, guys. I'm really hungry.
All you've done today is eat.
And now I need to eat pizza if you want me to be able to concentrate. You got a toaster oven in here, right?
Go ahead.
Okay, what's going on?
Fine. When I first heard about the story contest, I was excited because I wanted to tell a story that was more, I don't know, something more real. Do you hear that?
Probably Sam's stomach again. Anyway, what do you mean real?
I don't know. I guess something that feels more like us. Like, what if there was a world that needed saving, but the hero didn't feel like they had the strength to do it? Forget Superman's strength. They would have to do everything.
Jordan, are you seeing this? What's happening?
I have no idea.
I think maybe I'm coming down with something. Jordan, what are you doing? Stay back. Jordan!
Gross. How are you doing that?
I don't know. But more importantly, what are you wearing?
Oh, come on. Really, with the capes? What is this place? Hi? Yeah, I don't really know what the deal is with that.
Hey, you okay?
You have color. You must be the restorer.
The what?
They always promised me someone would come and bring back color to our world. I can't believe it. You're going to save the city.